In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Skills Selector to identify and recruit the perfect hire. What you see on the screen right now is our admin environment, where we can see our different campaigns. We can have development campaigns or hiring campaigns. To create a new hiring campaign and use Skills Selector, it's really simple. First, we want to create our new campaign and then choose the candidate selection option. I'm now going to give my campaign a name. So I'm going to recruit for a call center agent for my West Coast office. I can now see a selection of pre-made job profiles that we've developed based on reviewing the scientific literature, or we can partner with you to build validated profiles for your specific roles. So here, I'm just going to choose the customer service profile. I can now see which competencies I will be assessing this candidate for. And I'm also presented with the option to choose other competencies that I may want to assess this candidate against. So for example, I may want to also assess their ability to build networks, be a great team player, and also giving feedback to others. With my selection made, the assessments have been pre-selected based on the job role requirements. I can then choose to provide feedback reports immediately to my candidates, or I can leave it unselected, meaning that they will not receive any reports once they complete the assessment. I can now start adding some tags to my campaign as another way to organize and segment users, and then I hit complete. Now my campaign has been created, I can start to send invites. So to do that, I click on the campaign, I then go to this invite button, and here I can upload a CSV or enter manually the names and emails of the people I'd like to assess, or I can create a share link that can be sent to as many people as you would like. We have some different options where you can restrict it to a domain or make it open to everyone. And then to do that, I just hit copy link. Let's just switch to a campaign that is already in progress and we already have some candidate data. So I'm going to look at another call center agent campaign that I have launched previously. And here we can see the assessments that I have assigned to the campaign, any reports that I have enabled for this campaign, the competencies that I'm assessing against, and any tags. And here I'm able to view my candidates depending on which stage of the hiring process they are in, or the assessment process. So I'm going to just look at my completed users. And in this table, I'm now seeing some helpful information that I can use to inform my hiring decisions. First is I can see the overall role match. This is, as this tooltip explains, is their overall score on those pre-selected competencies that have been identified as relevant for the role. And overall match includes the pre-selected job competencies and those additional selections. To make it easy, I can filter by highest and lowest, and here I can see that Teresa is the best candidate. I can now look at some more information about Teresa, and also by rank sorting, it makes it easy to compare across candidates as well. So to look at Teresa, I click on her name, I can see some more information about their scores, I can leave some notes, I can even create some ratings. I can get a one-page view of all the different dimensions we have assessed, and I'm also able to view their progress as to when they were completing the assessment. If I would like to look at more information about this candidate, I can click on this full profile button. I can then navigate to assessments and reports, and here I can see more information and insights about this person. I can get a summary report for both of their assessments. I can view qualitative feedback reports that provide rich information about their core drivers and core values. And I can also access what we call a coaching report, which can be used in the hiring process, whereby I get a third-person interpretation of their results. I get some questions I can ask this person in the interview, and I get some tips and advice around how to best manage and engage this candidate. We also have the ability to compare and contrast candidates as well, using different analytics and dashboards, whereby we make it really simple to search for different candidates and visualize their scores. And so here I can see two candidates, and I can easily see and compare their core drivers, their core values, and their competency scores as well. So that's Skills Selector in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'd love to schedule a full demo for you. Thank you.